Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this session, we'll discuss about the second last feature, how we can create a Revit family with the help of sweep blend. So it's a combination of two commands, sweep and blend, that we already covered in our previous videos. But in this one, we'll discuss about that swept blend command, which is the combination of these two. So let's start. So I'll click on File option, New, Family, and now I'll go with metric mechanical model as of now because we just wanted to see um, the actual element. We can go with metric generic model as well, and then we can change in another thing. But as of now, I want to go with mechanical equipment category because I just want to see the element as mechanical equipment. That is why. So now if I'll click on swept blend command, there are two options, sketch path or pick path. I'll discuss both the commands right there in this particular video. But as of now, let's click on sketch path. So this kind of dialog box will be opened. Now you can select any option from this draw toolbar and you can draw whatever you wanted to draw. So as of now, let's go with spline command and let's draw random thing and double click right there at the end so that you can come out from the spline command and press escape. Now we have drawn the path right here. Okay, you can change it if you want, like I want to be more in curvature, you can do that thing as well. Okay, now I wanted to click on finish. If you wanted to add more points, more what we can say vertex, you can add. Like if I'll click, sorry, if I wanted to add more control point, I can add right there and I can do like that. If I want to add one more, let's go right there and I'll move that. So you can do that thing. You can delete the control points as well. So after creating the path, click on finish command. Now this are what we can say path. Now we have two options right there, profile one and profile two. So let's go with the profile one. I'll double click on this particular profile. It'll open the view where I can model whatever I want to model. Okay. So right now um, I want to model one curvature which is increasing in radius. Okay, or dia, what we can say. So I'll create one smaller dia circle right there, uh, maybe 100 radius. It means 200 dia, and at this end. So as of now, I'll click on escape command, finish. Now I'll go with the second, what we can say profile. I'll create. I can create any. It's not necessary that you can create only circle, but as of now, I'm going with circle, and I'll go with, for example, 1000 radius. I'll click on finish command. One thing I'll highlight right here. Let's go with parametric thing as well. So I'll press DI command, will give the dimension to it, and I'll give a parameter to it as well. So as it is the bigger one, so I'll go with dia 2 parameter and click on finish. I'll go right there again, give the dimension for this one as well, and then I'll give this one as dia 1. This is the dia 1. Now I'll click on OK. So we have given the parameter as well for this dia and this dia. Why I'm giving it the diameter? So that when we'll upload this particular family into Revit project, we can see how we can modify the diameters of this particular family. Okay, I'll click on finish and then finish. Now you can see in 3D our curvature is look like this. Okay, you can draw and like and top view as well wherever you want to draw. So I just randomly created this one, so it's like this one. Now let's make it fine and shaded. You can provide the color whatever you want to provide, but right now I'm not going in that much depth. I already covered that video, how we can assign a material to a particular element. And if you want more described video, just comment in this video. I'll create one more video on that one. So as of now, let's click on load into the project, and it'll be like that. What is this? Because I have selected what we can say mechanical equipment category. That is why it's selecting a box for the tags. So I'll delete this one as of now. Let select all instance invisible in view and delete all the tags. Yeah, make it shaded. Fine. Now, as we have given the parameters for dia 1, dia 2, as you can see right here. So let's play with it. Let's make it 100. Let's make it 1000. You can see it's changing. Okay, I did not give the length parameter. If we have given the length parameter as well, we can, increase and reduce the length one as well. So that is how we can use these what we can say swept blend command. But there is one more feature in swept blend command that I have discussed at the beginning of this video. That is a pick path. For example, if you are having some curvature already in architectural thing or something like that, and you want to model something, you want to create a family uh, uh, parallelly to that curvature, how we can do that thing. So in that scenario, let's delete all these. Right. Yeah, and let me come right here and let me delete this one as well. So we are at the beginning again. I'll click on create sort blend command, but sorry, from before than that, what I'll do, I'll create something so that we can follow the same thing. We can use the symbolic line and we can convert that one in actual line. So let's go like that way. For example, um, let me go like that. Oh, sorry, I have chosen the R. We can go with the mm, spline or whatever. Let's go with the line only. Okay. So I want to create like this. Okay. Perfect. I want to create this kind of what we can say path for that family. So I have drawn a line right there, symbolic line. It's not the actual line, it's symbolic line that we normally use for the annotation things, um, symbolic things inside the family. Okay, that we'll discuss in separate video. Um, so as of now, what I'll do now, I'll click on create swept blend command, and I'll click on pick path. If I'll click on pick path, I cannot select this one. Why? Because these are symbolic lines that I mentioned earlier. These are not the actual lines. So before than that, what I'll do is I'll convert these symbolic lines into the actual lines. So I'll click on convert lines. Now these are actual lines now. Okay. So if I'll click on create, swept blend command, pick path, and if I'll select the path, actually, these are broken lines, so it will select one element only. So let's go then with the spline command because in that scenario we are having a single element right there. Okay, and so let's create something in spline command then. Click on annotate symbolic lines, spline, and let's go. Okay, like that only. Fine, and I'll convert this one into line. Click on create, subblind command, pick path, and I have selected this path. So that is how also we can select the same thing again. Uh, Let me go this time with the what we can say rectangular thing. So I'll double click on this. Sorry, I have to finish this one because I already selected the path. Now I have to double click on the profile one, and I can draw something. Let me go with rectangle, a small rectangle right there, and click on finish. Profile 2, that's right there, and I'll create some random right there as well. Fine, click on finish. You can see we have drawn like that. We can also give the parametric thing to it as well. Now you can delete that line that you created. It's not necessary as of now. Your element is right there. You can see. So that is how you can use the swept blend command, which is the mixture of sweep and blend command. So that's all about that command, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video. In that one, we'll discuss about void forms. There are different void forms. The same thing: extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, and swept blend. What are the differences in these ones and these ones? We'll discuss in next video. Thank you guys for watching this one.